back to another cooking video with Mix Chop. We want to say welcome to our old and new subscribers. For today, we'll be doing something very simple, one of our easiest snacks that we usually eat back at home in Liberia. It's a spicy mango. For our ingredients, we have our black pepper, we have our Knorr, we have crushed pepper, and 2 mangoes. Next, we're going to peel our mangoes. So usually back home, we use like green mangoes. I'm not sure how ripe these are, but based on how hard it was, that's how I determined which one to get. Also back home in Liberia, we don't call these mangoes, we call them plums. Just a FYI. And usually we can find plums or mangoes in our yards, neighbor's yard, compared to over here you have to purchase them at the grocery stores, and they're super expensive over here and they do not taste the same. So we're just gonna peel these. I could tell it's kind of green. It's green. It's not fully ripe. Look at the color. And we're gonna peel the other one. So after peeling our mangoes, we're gonna cut it into smaller pieces so we add our spices and our season to the mix. So next we're gonna slice our mangoes into smaller pieces. So I'm gonna do this first. So I'm gonna get one side and then I'm gonna get the other side. And then I'm gonna go this side. And then I'm gonna go the other side. I can tell this is not ripe because the knife is kind of hard to penetrate through the mango. So I'm gonna put this here. And I'm going to do the same for the next one. In Liberia, like another slang word we call it sour plum, because it's not fully ripe yet. It's still green. It has that sour taste to it. That's why we call it sour plum. We'll just do this. The reason why they do the sour plum and the pepper is a good combination compared to you eating something super sweet with spicy pepper. And then we're just gonna cut these into 2 pieces, and then that's it for our cutting. So next we're gonna spice up our mangoes, or Liberian people say plum. We're gonna add about 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper to this. We're also gonna add 1 Knorr cube, the little ones. 2 comes into this one, so I took out 1 out of this packet and mashed it up. You can also use Maggi cube, the smaller Maggi cube that are darker in colors. We're gonna add this. And then in this jar, we have crushed pepper. This is Liberian pepper. This came from Liberia. Liberian people call it bita pepper. We call it bita pepper. So it's like pepper with some seasoning and stuff. I'm just gonna put just a little bit in it, just for that authentic flavors. And we're also going to add some crushed peppers as well. And then I'm gonna add just a little bit of water to mix with this. And we're just going to mix. I'm gonna add some more water because it's kind of dry. And when I tell you, this is a really good snack. When we were younger, going to school, the road sellers always had these. Oh my gosh. They always took my money because I was always, you know, craving for this when I was younger. And that is it for this. Here's the final look of that Liberian spicy mango, or known as sour plum. I hope you enjoy watching this video, and if you did, please let us know in the comments below, and also follow us on all of our social media platforms. Thanks for watching, and see you in another video.